Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 1802014, large rectangular Label It plastic tag with label, 14 in a package. So when you buy one, you're going to get exactly one package of these. One package is going to give you 14 labels, or plastic tags, and then it will give you, and I have the contents removed from a package here on my desk. You're going to get 14 tags. You're going to get 2 sheets. Well, actually, there's 3 sheets of labels in here. You'll get enough labels, that's for sure. Then you are going to get, well, the cardstock, obviously, for the packaging itself, but then installation instructions that you will use for printing the labels. And the bottom line is, there is a link below this video to the installation instructions where you can review what this all says. The fact of the matter is, it's simply going to the Lucky Line site, downloading the client, and then executing the ability to print right through that. And if you've used other people's labels in the past, a well-known manufacturer that starts with A, you'll have the same sort of experience using this sort of situation as well. Let's go over the dimensional properties of the tag itself. Overall width, 3 1/8. Overall height, inch and 1/2. Okay. Center to center of where you would install a keyring, which are not included, looks like it's about 2 5/8. A usable space for the tag area is about 1 inch by about 2 inch, maybe 2 1/16. 14 in a package, more durable than paper naturally. And this tag, the tag itself, of course, is water resistant. The label, not so much. Keep that in mind. A second hole allows for convenient hanging on a hook. Okay. And the evolution of this product has changed over time, meaning that there was a time when key rings were included, and suffice it to say that some of the stock imagery from the factory even still shows it that way, such as the image on their label, the image that's uploaded to the site. The problem is, what we need to do is know exactly what's included based on the part number. The current version of this part number does not include any key rings at all, and technically it doesn't include labels either. And that I'm getting from the catalog, the current catalog. Now, this packaging came with the labels, which, and frankly, I've never seen it not include the labels, but the packaging, pardon me, the manufacturer's catalog clearly states without labels and without rings. So the fact that there are no rings is not a surprise to me in reviewing the item. Let's get to that catalog. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page within our site where you can pull up the catalog, and you'll be looking for a version number that would be the highest number. The current one is version 20. However, that's just the current one. Other ones will be version something, parentheses, outdated. If you were to do a search by just 1802 or 180, you'll get to the page where you can see the large rectangular Label It plastic tags. Now, the 1802014, the 1802014, you'll find there. I said it wrong again. 1802. Let's start over. 1802014. Those 3 pieces of the part number all add up to mean something important. Confusing even for myself. So when you look at that table, you'll notice where I'm getting that from. Under the industrial pack heading, you're doing the 180, or an industrial pack means without labels and without rings. The 180 is the tag, the 20 is the color, is black, and when you change that 20 to something else, as you can see on the left-hand side of the catalog, 20 for black, 30 for blue, 40 for lime, 50 for melon, 65 for lilac, 68 for magenta, 80 for lemon, and then 90 for white. We'll give you the color, so it's 180 plus the color, 20, plus 14. That's going to tell them that there's 14 in the package. But you can see there how the part number will change as your requirements may change, meaning as the variables change or the options change, the part number will change. So if you wanted 180 assorted, you would do a 0014, and it would give you the same sort of packaging, just assorted colors. You can do retail packaging as well, where you might benefit by having a display package from the factory that you would find conducive in a checkout scenario, like the countertop at your lock shop or the checkout line at your hardware store, places like that. You also see the non-packaged high volume products where there's a 100 piece minimum. If you are a car rental facility and you need 400 pieces, you're going to want to go for something high volume packaged. And you can see how the part number will change when you are including the labels as well. Now, what I'm not seeing there is any inclusion at all of key tags, except where you are dealing with that retail package where it specifically does not exclude the key rings themselves. So be very careful. Because the Lucky Line product line has evolved with time, I really suggest that you check the manufacturer's catalog so that we work together and reach out to us to make sure you're getting everything. This client did not need the key tags, but imagine if they didn't understand the key tags were not included with the packaging. It would simply add up to a waste of everyone's time. So reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you determine and to be sure the first time out that you're getting all the correct material. Now, what you'll see in the balance of that full line catalog is that the name Lucky Line is quite synonymous with all things key management hardware related, whether it be key tags made of plastic or paper or brass or aluminum, or key rings, the small giveaway style key rings all the way up to the pull apart 6-inch jailers type key rings, novelty items like lanyards and spring style wrist coils. They can do custom printing on practically everything that they sell as well. So if you have any questions on the Lucky Line product at all, please feel free to reach out to us. Now, link to the manufacturer's page will show you not only the product catalog, a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as all the Lucky Line products that we sell. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line, 1802014, package of 14 black tags, or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.